The first script after the installation of Python was easy to implement and it costed me less than 5 minutes. I asked ChatGPT a simple question: how to count the number of words on a page. It gave me easy instructions. I just copied and pasted the given script in the Python editor and ran the script. Python gave an error, so I asked, "Brother, this doesn't work, fix it." It did. It gave me instructions to install the needed component. I followed the last piece of information and ran the code in the Python editor. As you can see, the word count for the homepage of Python. The reason I'm doing this is because this small assignment is part of a bigger project. This small task leads to the bigger picture. The accumulation and combination of all small tasks makes a product. Besides, I want to show that programming is easy. I don't like the idea of reading all stuff to do something. I don't need to learn theory that I don't need at the moment, and someone has to point me directly how to do. That's the best way to learn something in practice. I want the information being at reach and relevant for the work. All time spent to the information should 100% be spent at the moment. If you want the ChatGPT prompt, like and subscribe and send me a message. Follow me for the progress.